In this video, you'll learn how to see completed tasks in Asana. This guide explains the steps needed to access and review finished work, which is essential for tracking progress and ensuring project efficiency. Start by opening the Asana app on your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the correct workspace or team that manages your projects. Once you are inside, navigate to the specific project, task list, or board where you wish to view completed tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, including sections, columns, filters, and current task statuses. This understanding is crucial for accurately locating and reviewing completed work. Next, utilize Asana's built-in filters to display completed tasks. Open the filter menu and select the option to show tasks marked as completed. Alternatively, you can use the advanced search feature to customize your view based on assignee, date, or project parameters. Adjusting the timeline or list view settings can also help include completed tasks. This functionality allows you to see all finished work in context, providing insight into your team's progress. After applying the filters, review the completed tasks in detail. This is an opportunity to check for accuracy and make any necessary notes or provide feedback to team members. You can also export or report on these completed tasks to analyze performance metrics, track timelines, and prepare summaries for stakeholders or team meetings. Regular reviewing completed tasks in Asana helps maintain visibility over all finished work. In addition, celebrating accomplishments by acknowledging completed tasks can motivate your team and create a positive work environment. Identifying areas for improvement based on completed tasks can also enhance future project workflows. Ensure that you are consistent in this practice to keep your team organized and informed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.